What I think is interesting is every single time we get a pop in Bitcoin price, the first thing that happens are sellers. So it's folks who manage to sort of scoop up the dip and are selling at the next pop. And so folks that managed to buy at 6,000, 6,100 in the last 2 weeks were sellers in the last 24 hours. So the question is, are the bulls here to stay? We haven't really seen the strong buy-side demand yet coming in, even though there have been sell-side interest in the last 24 hours. So I think the question ultimately is the market going to head back down to the 6K level simply because the bulls are still waiting to see is the 7K really going to hold? And then see where we go from here.
What's your feeling what are you seeing in terms of orders? I mean, are you sensing, you mentioned that in the past 24 hours, short interest has climbed. I mean, if this rally up through 7,000 was fueled by short covering,
yes.
Some might say, well, the shorts are going to come back and reload.
I think that's ultimately the question. Whether the real short game is down from 7 down to 6, sure, there's 15% kind of baked in there, but is that really kind of enough ultimately to kind of get this done? And then the question is, where are the bulls? Are they now on the sidelines, or if the 7K level holds, say for the next week, next 2 weeks, the bulls will 100% be back, where they're more comfortable that the lows for the year are in, and that we are more likely to see 10K rather than 5.
So that's a level, in your view, that Bitcoin has to defend. It's got to defend 7,000 for about the next week in order for you to be convinced that the bull case is there, that the bulls will step back in.
I think the key level is 7150 to be more exact. But yes, if we can hold that next week, I do believe that we will see a sentiment turnaround in the marketplace.